possible, and we would like to extend our deepest gratitude to all of you for helping empower the nation's next generation of heroes. Now, I hope you are all excited, as we are, to find out who the next Solve for Tomorrow Grand Champion is. Are you guys excited? Parang hindi. Parang kinakabahan and then excited at the same time. Are you guys excited to know the next Grand Champion? Yes, but before we do that, I'd first like to invite Miss A.A. Abhelina, our PR and CSR head of Samsung Philippines, to tell us more about the Solve for Tomorrow program and the wonderful prizes in store for this year's grand winners.
Hi everyone, good morning. So I'd like to say that Solve for Tomorrow is my baby. It's currently 3 years old, so thank you for supporting my baby and for traveling all the way here to as we award our winners for this year. So again, it's been said, but thank you to the Department of Education for always supporting us in and out, and for our partners for being here and making the program possible. So Samsung Solve for Tomorrow, it's a global program that empowers young innovators to develop tech-driven solutions to real-world challenges and creative positive impact in their communities. So this was launched in the US back in 2010, and the program since then has inspired STEM students worldwide to turn ideas into action and has helped over 2 million people across 50+ countries. So the Philippines launched its first Solve for Tomorrow competition in 2023, marking this year as its 3rd local installment. It also marks the 15th year that this competition has been ongoing globally, and this is Samsung's long-standing commitment in giving young students a platform to share their ideas with the world. With the support of the Department of Education, this year's competition invites grades 8 to 10 students from public science high schools nationwide to pitch ideas aligned with the following themes: environmental sustainability through technology, social change through tech and sport, and solving community problems with artificial intelligence. So following our nationwide call for entries, we received over 350 proposals. It's been growing and growing every year, and we're very happy about that. And this represents about 1,000 students eager to build solutions for a better future. And our panel of judges, we were also able to identify our top 10 using the following criteria: 20% design innovation, 20% relevance to the community, 20% visibility, 15% STEM integration, 15% sustainability, and 10% clarity of proposal. And because it's the 15th year of Solve for Tomorrow globally, exciting prizes await our top 10 teams this year. And to share more about what's in store for our students, I'd like to turn this back on to our host, Ben Liu. Thank you.
Thank you, AA. Your baby.